On today's menu, a sweet recipe you'll definitely want to make. Purple taro milk tea.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. This recipe is a variation from my vegan ramen cookbook. If you'd like to find more information about this book, you can click the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, taro milk tea is actually one of my childhood favorites, but I seldom get it when I eat out because they usually make it out of colors and powders and flavors. This is the real deal.
Preheat the oven to 375. Peel the purple potatoes. Chop the potato into small cubes. This will help it cook faster. Place the potato on one side of the baking tray, lined with parchment paper. Peel the taro. Chop the taro into the same small size cubes so it cooks at the same time as the potato. Place the taro on the other side of the baking tray. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the inside is soft. Blender. Roughly 1 tablespoon of purple potato and 1 tablespoon of taro. 1.5 cups coconut or almond milk. 1.5 tablespoons cane sugar. Blend on high until emulsified. Serve this milk tea with ice. You can now make this amazing milk tea with absolute confidence.
That is so delicious, and there's actually not that much taro in it, which is amazing because your taro will really yield many of these drinks. And on top of that, it is purple. Just look at that. Without having to add any weird colors. That's just amazing. Definitely want to try this recipe, and be sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.